Hello, this is our new model AS101. Now I take some minutes to introduce it. Here we are. This knob is to change the voltage, but there's no value on the LCD. You have to calculate the value by yourself. For example, the voltage now here is 1 volt for 1 grade. So you can calculate 1, 2, 3, 4. Total is 4 grade, so is 4 volt on the screen. Then this one is to change the 10 base. And this position is to change the volt. And this position is to change the 10 base. This one is to have some kinds of adjust for the voltage. Yes, but this is one channel oscilloscope. This is the input channel, one channel. For this channel is used for XY model. You can see that. So we change to XY model. Okay, thanks.